What if I told you some birds can outthink humans? They solve puzzles. They remember faces. They plan for the future. And scientists are still trying to understand how.
Some can
birds
remember.
are able to remember.
And some can even outsmart humans.
These are 5 birds whose intelligence shocked scientists.
In Japan, researchers noticed something unusual.
This is the crow, a bird that can bend tools just to get food. It doesn't act on instinct alone. It thinks. But this is where it gets strange. Because birds don't even have brains like ours. Their intelligence comes from something called a different kind of neural structure. Smaller, faster, more efficient.
The crows carried hard nuts they couldn't break, but instead of giving up, they dropped the nuts onto the street and waited for cars to crack them open.
Then something incredible happened.
The crows waited for the red light.
Only then did they collect their food.
This wasn't luck.
This was planning. They understood human systems.
That is intelligence. And that's just the beginning.
Then there's the African gray parrot. It doesn't just repeat words, it understands them. Some can count.
But one parrot changed everything.
His name was Alex. Alex understood shapes. Alex could identify colors.
And even numbers. Ooh.
He wasn't repeating sounds.
He understood meaning.
Scientists were stunned. Alex was thinking, this changed how we see animal intelligence.
And it didn't stop there. Ravens are master strategists. They hide food for later.
But they also watch each other. If a raven thinks it's being watched,
It moves the food.
That means it understands deception.
It can imagine another mind.
Is advanced intelligence. Very few animals can do this.
But the ravens can.
But intelligence comes in many forms.
Some birds never forget.
And this pigeon, scientists trained it to recognize human faces. Even years later, it's still remembered.
But they have incredible memory.
Pigeons can recognize human faces. Even years later. They remember who treated them well. And people who didn't.
This skill keeps them alive.
It's survival intelligence.
And it works. One bird, a sleek raven, takes this even further.
Meet the Kea.
The playful genius. The Kea loves puzzles.
It solves problems for fun.
Not for survival. But for enjoyment. They even work together.
This is curiosity-driven intelligence.
A very rare trait.
And incredibly powerful.
These majestic bald eagles change everything we think we know.
About intelligence. Intelligence isn't about size.
It's about thinking.
And birds think more than we imagine.
So the real question is, if birds are this smart, what else are we underestimating? Subscribe if you'll never see birds the same way again.